शुरू कर दो. What are your comments about this date sheet that has come yesterday? Most of you are appearing in 21 only. What is your opinion about the date sheet that they have released for 21? Prelims on 27th of June.
Sir,
and mains from 17th of September. Comment?
Sir, we are accepting prelims in August next year.
No sir, great, ठीक है, बहुत है sir. तो
ठीक है सर,
we came back to the original
सही है सर.
Is it good or bad?
थोड़ा डिले हो गई है
बस sir,
सही है.
See, if mains 20 is held on time, then it's okay. But presently we are not sure even whether prelims will be held on time. Most of you are very confident that it will be.
सर वो एनडीए का वो एडमिट कार्ड निकाल दिया है सर यूपीएससी.
Oh, NEET also, court has said that career cannot be delayed. And nobody asks the question whether life is more important or career. Day before yesterday UPPSC was there, heavily crowded, nobody bothered, no comments, and you know cases are rising in UP.
बिहार बोर्ड, साउदर्न स्टेट.
We are talking about this exam. So I am not very certain whether the prelims will be held on time 2020. If it is held, then everything will be on time. The one thing you didn't care for, that prelims is June end, means you are getting an additional month for your preparation of. I'll say mains, not prelims. Prelims you don't have to give more than 4 months. And if you are very thorough with mains, then even 3 months may be good enough. So you get an additional month. That means those of you who are thorough with the mains, the day prelim is held and you realize that you are making it, a lot of probability that you are there in the final selection as well. If you remember, I told you that IAS 20 and 21, these are ours. While people are literally confused about how to do and what to do about your preparation, you already started well in time.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
सर इसमें सर अभी मेंस के आंसर प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट कर देंगे सर आप?
You are doing already.
चेक करने वाला प्लेटफॉर्म?
Many platforms are there, but I wish that you don't trust others. The reason is, wherever you have test series for general studies, only people like you are evaluating if you have appeared twice in mains. If you appeared twice in mains but you did not get through, how can you correct others?
Yes, sir.
If you look at the scores people are given, I think clear guideline is there. Tick at 4 points, comment at 4 places, and maximum marks 4 by 10. That is not evaluation. So therefore, I have been advising you presently keep collecting all the facts. And once you are confident, I think I did tell you in the group also that you are now in a position to write about new education policy. Because now almost all the facts are there with you. But with respect to economy, agriculture, industry, all those things, how can you write right now? The mess that COVID has resulted in, you will know only after the budget is presented in January 21. So all that growth rate and success rate and GDP, they will become a part of history. So you will have to wait for those facts. But presently, I told you all the facts which are sending to you. I have sent already, but two news, actually they were too big and I couldn't photo it. Two news on 2 full pages of Indian Express are there. I'll ask Yadavji to do it. About the progress in terms of education and other things. So presently, I wish that till about say September, October, you keep collecting, getting facts. I think I did tell you, say for example, if you have collected about 50 facts about agriculture, and if you realize that 5 or 6 questions can be asked from agriculture, obviously 2 or 3 or 4 facts will be the same for all the answers, the introductory. And then it is your wisdom which facts you select for that particular answer. So if you start writing answer right now, I don't think you can do justice with your preparation and your performance.
I have a question,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually I am asking that, sir, how do you know that which factor is useful for the subject? Suppose the agriculture, so how do you know that which factor is important in the case of agriculture?
I didn't get you. पहले तो अपना कैमरा ऑन करो. Let me see your face.
Sir, actually, sir, I am in the dining hall.
अच्छा. What was the question? Can anybody repeat?
Sir, I am asking that, sir, how do you know that which of the facts that are important for the topic specifically about agriculture, economy, and the current current?
See, whatever article, say for example, the first article you have on any particular issue, that will form the base of your fact-finding mission. Then you have facts and you have the logics given therein. Then whatever you read subsequently, keep adding into that. Don't replace that. Like even when you have joined a coaching institute, the institute's material should form the base. And thereafter, whatever you study, you keep adding to that. Fine? So even if you are appearing in 21, I wish that you are ready for your mains by September, October, November, December maximum. Then you will have mains test series for 2020. You can participate in that also. But that may not be much harmful, because I told you all the situation will change next year, because when the observations and facts about COVID-19 and its impact come, then only you can realize. But at least you can learn how to write an answer. You can know about your mental toughness. You can know about the time management. You can know about a number of things you can say.
Sir, suppose I am reading an article, and in this article, sir, there are some examples of some case studies regarding, suppose, the economy or the agriculture or the geography. So, sir, how do you know that this example will not be put in that point? So, sir, I am very much confused also.
Yeah, that wisdom you have to develop. Firstly, you tell me, how do you judge the quality of a newspaper? कैसे पता लगेगा कि ये newspaper बहुत अच्छा है?
Yes, sir.
In the first class, I told you that you read Hindu at 10 rupees, while in Hyderabad it is 5 rupees, maybe 4.5, in Bangalore also. But in Delhi it is 10. What is additional in Delhi? So, how do you judge the quality of, that is there, but how you judge the quality of a paper?
How much syllabus, how much articles it covers which are at par with the syllabus?
Well,
Suppose for
not syllabus, otherwise also.
Depends on the writer, sir.
Now, first thing is, I judge the quality of a paper from the letters to the editor. What kind of readership is there? And secondly, if an article is there, I read the heading and I read at the bottom who is the person and how authentic it is. Then only you realize. See, if there is an article courtesy Gaji and courtesy Independent, an article by any minister or Sitaram Yechury or all those things, you have to read it with a pinch of salt. Any facts which are there, you cannot deny that, that's a fact. The logics which are given, whether you can convince the examiner in that direction or not, because all those are bound to be biased. Fine? So one thing that you had, this 21 is going to be yours. And the reason I told you, I think in the beginning also, I wanted to postpone this batch. I told you I don't relish this online kind of thing. But I knew that Corona is not going to go away so soon. So if we delay, your preparation will be delayed. And anthropology may suffer.
Yes, sir.
Because we started well in time, you are ahead of others, while others are still confused about. You have seen that many big institutes, they have already announced that they will start their batches only after this ban is lifted. And by that time, you won't have enough time to prepare for 21. Fine? So great opportunity for you. Right now you have to start your reverse count. Every day evaluate yourself. Fine? मैंने आपको बताया था, सारे डाउट्स तुम्हें ही हैं क्या? दूसरों को भी मौका दो. हाँ. Soma, let others talk about also.
Yes, sir.
सर, आजकल का जो क्वेश्चन आ रहा है वो पूरा गवर्नमेंट स्कीम को बढ़ाई करने के लिए आ रहा है कि जस्ट प्रिसाइज की हो, जैसे आया मान लीजिए स्वच्छ अभियान, तो व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स. कभी उसमें क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस नहीं आ रहा है कि उसमें कहाँ शॉर्ट फॉल्स हो रहे हैं.
सर, यूपीएससी में कुछ भी जो है बिना एनालिसिस के नहीं होता. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द अचीवमेंट्स, यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द पिटफॉल्स. And you have to talk about the way out. Like when you send your answers to me, you have seen them that I criticize everything. This is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Then next question is how to make it right. Unless I do it, how would you be satisfied? Similarly, how would examiner be satisfied? Examiner is not sitting with you. Fine?
Sir?
हाँ जी सर.
Sir, you said, sir, we need to evaluate ourselves every day. Sir, on what parameters should we evaluate ourselves? Like, should we solve questions? Or
No, whatever your performance has been there, I think I have already told you that when you study in social sciences, there is nothing you cannot understand on your own. If you cannot, study again, that's all. People say, I have read it 10 times, final revision is still there. I want you people to read twice only. When you read a chapter, you have understood. I'm talking about social sciences. And when you read again immediately, then you realize that you had understood but not that effectively. So while reading for the second time, start converting into points. After that, close your source and concentrate on those points. The job is done. There are people who read for 12 hours or 14 hours. I always advise you read for 8 hours. The remaining time you give for revision. I do ask people, Ajay sir, paper 1, 2, 3 हो गया GS का. When I ask you, okay, I ask you a question. No sir, revision is still there. That is not the way. Preparation means, yes sir, I have done it, you ask anything. Even if you don't remember, even if you remember half the thing, but evaluation would be there. Done? So be sure, this kind of chances come rarely only. These 5 months of Corona, I don't know what you were doing, but I have utilized perfectly. I have already written 2 research articles and I'm writing on another one also. And that is the toughest.